feel bad.
My hair looks like, as you guys can see, y'all don't see the
It's $12.
1 and 2. My other friends, I'm probably gonna put a picture of them so you guys can know who I'm talking about. But so we're all gonna go on our next trip, just us two, because my other friend just got back from Honduras. My other friend, I think she can't go, but it's okay, because next time you see us, we're all gonna be in the same car or in the same airplane very soon. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Okay, you guys, so ya llegamos al hotel. I just got ready, and this is how I didn't put no foundation on my face because I just wanted like to do something chill today. But we are gonna be going out tonight. I'm hoping that everything goes as planned. But let me show you guys the hotel. It's not much, but you know. Okay, so this is the door. This is the restroom, and this is like the closet donde está la plancha and stuff. So this is like, this is the bathroom. And this is me. This is like the little kitchen area. Aquí está la microwave para los maruchanes. La cafecito, a sink that we're probably never gonna use. These cups that we're probably not gonna use. And then her bed, I'm not trying to expose her that much. And then my stuff, my makeup stuff, and then my iPad, my phone, my tripod, and stuff like that, and her purse. This is the chair that goes with the desk. And then, actually, I need to put this hung up over there. And then the little couch. But that's gonna be all for today. Right now we're gonna be go ahead and go eat. A friend of mine's gonna pick us up, and yeah, now we're at Pluckers. We're about to eat some macaroni. Let's do it. My friend is gonna try it out for the first time. You like it?
It's not bad.
I think it smells better than it probably tastes.
It smells good.
It's not bad.
It's very messy.
We should get some napkins.
Wait, it's really not bad.
Literally good.
I'd rather some regular cheese, like mozzarella sticks. I feel like they're better.
Nah.
It's good. Probably because I'm really hungry too, though.
What do you rate it?
8.
8?
8.
Okay, period. Now my food's gonna come, and then I'm gonna, yeah. I'm gonna get the smaller one.
Do you know what that is?
No, probably like salsa.
How do you record?
Pásame esto.
I'm not gonna look at the camera. I'm not gonna talk to the
Hold it.
camera.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. But this is like a different sauce. I never tried this sauce.
What does it taste like?
Salsa. Salsa.
I'm ready for the wings, bro.
It's actually not a bad camera. It's actually pretty good.
You could watch my YouTube channel, you would see it.
I don't
That's
know
not
about that.
bad.
I don't know about
Wait.
that.
You need to be supportive.
I can support but not watch.
Well, at least give me one view. You can like at least see it for one
Stop
second.
being a hater and actually support.
No, for real. Like,
Nah, it's not being a hater.
I should have bought my tripod.
If I was hating, I'd be like, you'd never make it. That's a hater. And
Just watch it. That's all you gotta do.
I'll watch 1 second.
Okay, that's fine. Still a view.
I'll click it and click off. Just kidding.
Wow. Yummy.
Got you. There you go. Okay.
Thank you.
Top tier.
Delicious.
Top of that. Tots go.
Tater
Got
tots.
the mac and cheese, the honey barbecue, and the mild. Oh my god. We got the lemon pepper and the spicy barbecue for you.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Everything come out of it's gonna hit. Trust me.
It's gonna hit, right? Yeah.
Tell them.
I'm already done. They hating on me. They praying on my downfall. They want me to crash.
We don't.
They don't want me to make it home back safely.
Okay.
Gotta take a video of this nice beer. Look. Oh my god.
Chug
Oh my
some of
god.
your water.
Huh?
Chug some of your water.
Fuck that
It's
water.
just there.
This is better. Oops. Imagine.
Oh my god. I will break your nerve.
I'm just kidding.
And you go buy another one.
I'm just kidding. Calm down.
Thank you so much.
I'm about to fuck this beer up.
What up? Don't be shy. Like, who the fuck is gonna say shit to you? Oh, look, it looks so good for later.
I'm shy. Oh well.
Y'all ready?
Oh yeah. I don't know. I'm faded.
We're going to end it?
I'm faded.
Sorry.
I'm gonna take.
Her storage.
She tripping. She tripping. She fine.
Get a good aim.
Hold on.
I got
There
a
you go.
Coach bag. My cousin sent me $150. My birthday's next weekend. And the straps are in here. Watch.
Oh my god, you should definitely put them on. Sorry.
He did his big one. As he should. I'm so happy though.
Hey you guys, so we just got ready for the night. We're gonna be going to this rodeo. I think it's like a club, but it's like a country club. So we're gonna have so much fun. I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture, some pictures for my friend. Probably gonna insert them on the screen or something. And yeah, and I'll show you guys. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys an OOTD. This is the black top that my friend got me, mi amiga, got me from Ross, Boot Barn, and then my socks from, I don't even know, my braids are from Ash, which is my sister, and then yeah, my makeup's done by me. Now it's my friend's, it's amiga's turn.
Okay, so romper is from Shein. I just got this today at Coach, and then these heels are from Shein, but I'm gonna switch into my boots too. But this is just for now for the pictures.
See you guys later. Currently at a bazaar, and we just got some eyelash glue because that's what I needed, and then she ended up getting a
3 tacos de asada. Wait.
See that you got a
Oh, what did I buy? I'm sorry. Oh, I got a nose ring. And then I just got 3 tacos de pollo sin cebolla. And then los chapa.
I ended up getting a 3 sopes de pastor, and then I ended up getting a jarrito.
Ooh, chat. Should we get these earrings? Yes or yes? Alright, hold on. Okay, just know they're nugget earrings, the heart. It won't load. Should we?
I feel like we should.
I feel like we should. We're gonna look fine.
Yeah, para mañana.
Girl, and it matches your
And then it's gonna match my
ring.
ring. Okay then. Yeah, right. Okay. Once we're done eating, right? Once we're done eating. Oh, we also need to get some deodorant, y'all. Like, I feel like we didn't pack
We didn't.
anything.
We literally
like,
packed a lot, but
not a lot.
We packed more clothes than anything. Like, be for real.
But I'll be back with you guys once the food comes in and stuff. We'll rate it. A ver si está rico o no. Okay, you guys. Ya los agarramos matching earrings. Okay. 14 karat. 13 karat. I'm gonna put this in my purse. In the purse. We're gonna go look around for the thing.
Yeah.
Does it know? Yeah.
They have 1 hour, 1 more hour here.
You do? We just ended up getting matching earrings. And then it kind of matches with my nugget ring. How do you feel?
They're fire. They fire. It was a good purchase. It was well deserved. We worked all week.
I know.
Like, how many days straight? I worked 6 nights straight. You worked, I don't know.
We're gonna go ahead and find some deodorant and then her hair products, and that's pretty much it.
His hair looks a mess. Chat.
Ended up getting some agua and then elote with hot Cheetos. Going to 2009 and 2001 for tonight, and then this is her outfit.
Shein, American Eagle, and then my heels are also Shein.
Okay, period. Okay, this is the outfit for tonight. Okay, so we ended up getting some baleadas. I got 2 of them, and then some banana. It's almost halfway done. And we ended up getting, well, they gave us that, like frijoles con queso and chips. Then she ended up getting a
Huevo con tajada with extra aderezo.
and y la banana. But we'll catch you guys later. Just got ready and we're gonna be going to Six Flags because today is our last day here. I did ended up buying like a straightener at the beauty supply. It did not work at all. Like, well, just a little, but it's just not enough. And then her hair didn't work either, and she has like thick hair and curly hair, so it didn't really work on her. But I'm gonna go ahead and return this. I'm hoping that I can get my money back, hopefully. Oh, you wanna go over there?
Yeah.
Ooh, hot.
My blister hurts on my toes.
This is so hard to walk. Yeah, let's go over there.
We have to leave by 3.
3?
Yeah. Because
So-
it's 1 o'clock. Yeah.
So we get it at 2:50?
Yeah.
Lo bueno que está aquí cerca.
I know we like at the airport. Why do we do shit like this? Oh my gosh.
We're young.
For the plot.
Oh, fuck.
Where can we put our bags? Se lo escondemos aquí.
Our what?
Our bags.
Let's go over there, Javier.
Huh?
Let's go over there.
I'm ready to be in it.
Literally.
Ooh, so bright.
Okay, entonces ya llegamos a Tampa, Florida. This is the little beach. It's good, honestly. It's really hot. So hot in here, you guys.
It's so bright too.
And bright as well. But we're gonna start swimming because, girl, it is hot.
Before you leave to get this outdoor voucher, and if you applied for your local line, let us know once you're done. Once you hit submit, let us know that you've done so. Get this outdoor voucher and begin to go more and pay less with your free spirit travel credit card. And before we begin, we got a birthday girl up front. Her name is Angie. Angie's in the house today. Today's her birthday. So if y'all can help me sing happy birthday to Angie on 3. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Angie. Happy birthday to you.